Welcome to this video. I am going to show you the power of Living Atlas layer in ArcGIS Pro that we can use to access different kinds of information, which is particularly data about places. Once you create your project, you go to this Map tab and click Add Data. This small window appears, and on this left side you will see Living Atlas. If you do not see, sometimes you can see something like this. Just expand this portal and click Living Atlas. And here on the top right, where search Living Atlas is seen, you just click here and type a keyword to see the data that you're looking for. Let's say I'm looking for the provinces and territories of Canada. Canada provinces. Let's just type this. Here I can see provinces and territories of Canada, Canada's confederation. I can also see other data that are available for Canada, active wildfire, Manitoba. So let's import this boundary layer. Okay, provinces and territories, just click select and click OK. The boundary of Canadian provinces and territories is imported. Living Atlas has maintained geospatial information, so we do not even need to visit specific websites and download the shape files or the data. Living Atlas layer provides access to this kind of information, this kind of data. Let me show you other data. I'm going to go to again here, Canada protected areas. And here I can see Canadian protected and conserved areas database. Also here, other information, North America terrestrial ecoregions level 3, North America terrestrial species of common conservation. So you can try searching other information that you are interested in, you may find here, so that you do not need to worry about finding the websites, searching the websites and looking for the data. Let me click and click OK. This protected area data is added. And I can actually drag it and bring it to the top. This is a huge data, I guess. So it's taking time. Maybe I can zoom in. Let me find all the data while it is loading. Canada mining. Metal mines in Canada, coal mines in Canada, oil sand mines in Canada. This data. Metal mines. Let me add. Using ArcGIS Living Atlas, see how fast I can access this data already available in the system. So I downloaded metal mines in Canada. I downloaded provinces and territories of Canada. I downloaded protected and conservation areas in Canada. Also visit livingatlas.arcgis.com webpage to get more information about data uploaded into the Living Atlas system. Okay, you learned Living Atlas layer and how to access data from Living Atlas layer and make your map. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.